Hey y'all, it's Quijuandas. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. Today I will be showing you how I achieved this blowout using both the Revlon one-step hair dryer and the Conair Yellowbird. I will also be comparing my results between the two, so if you're interested, keep on watching. So to clarify, I will be using the Revlon one-step hair dryer on my left side and the Conair Yellowbird on my right side. And to protect my hair, I'm using TRESEMME heat protectant. So these are my results, and I like both sides for different reasons. The Revlon one-step hairdryer got my hair a lot smoother and my hair is more stretched. So if I were wearing my hair in a blowout, or if I were going for a sleeker style in general, I would reach for the Revlon one-step over the Yellowbird. However, if I'm doing a stretched braid out or twist out and I want big hair, the Yellowbird will give me more volume than the Revlon one-step hairdryer. In terms of ease of use, the Revlon one-step hairdryer has a handle, so it's easier to use. I find myself having to pause when using the Yellowbird because the nozzle can get pretty hot and I'm not trying to burn myself. As far as the blow dry time goes, there wasn't a noticeable difference in the amount of time it took to blow dry each side for me to choose one over the other. When I started out, my hair was about 85% dry, so I'd be able to knock out a blowout using either tool in less than 30 minutes. So I hope y'all enjoyed this blowout and blow dryer comparison. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all your people. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later.